We all know we have to understand our customers. Every one of the 38,000 business books written start with that maxim. But have you ever taken the time to do that? To understand them fully? To figure out what makes them tick? Why they buy? Their personality types? To understand your existing clients so well that when you do your marketing, new, good clients show up too, just like the ones you already have. Here's a tip to get you started. Contact 2 of your customers and ask them these 3 questions. 1, how did you find me? 2, what made you decide to do business with me? And 3, what do you like best about my product or service? And if they tell you something you didn't know that you can fix or change, then act on it. Click below to join a free webinar to learn more.